Hi, I'm Ruth Kramer. I'm your holistic soul healer, and today we're going to show you how to use a pendulum. So you could take any pendulum. This one happens to be quartz and it's got all the 7 chakras on it. You can find this one on our website. So one of the reasons quartz is the most powerful pendulum that you can buy is because we use it in watches to tell the time. So we know that this is powerful because you can actually tell your time by it. How to get to know your pendulum is hold it close to your heart first so it can feel your energy, and then test it with really simple questions like, is my name Ruth? And it will show you what a yes looks like. And then, is my name Fred? And it will show you what a no looks like. So you ask really simple questions. That'll tell you whether this pendulum is working for you or not, whether it's serving you or not. Once you've got it telling you yeses or nos, here's what it looks like for me, and you can see what yours looks like for you. But this is a yes for me, and you can see my arm is not moving. So the energy from the whole universe is pouring through this pendulum, and it's a really good place to check in and find out whether you've got an extra support system for your truth or for the truth of others. I will say that if you ask questions of your pendulum for you, if you've got a heavy-handed agenda, it's going to give you that heavy-handed answer. So it's much better to ask for someone else. It'd be better to have 2 friends using pendulums on each other than it will be to use it for yourself, because it's going to be attached to your agenda. It's going to come through your energy. But this is a yes, this is a no, this is a not now, which goes backwards. And when it holds really still, it's I'm not telling you at all. So feel free to use a pendulum, use it to check in. Just remember that it's not 100% accurate, it's just a wonderful place to check in with the universal force of energy. So buy your pendulum carefully, make sure it chooses you, make sure you ask it simple questions and enjoy it. It's a fun thing to do.